It's going to be rejected by Anthony Davis with a sock.
Yeah, just hold it.
I can't. I'm trying to throw.
Yeah, you're gonna hold it and roll it. Is it able to see all of the...
I don't know. It used to be right there.
Because of the jacket.
Move the jacket. Then.
Now just throw it on the floor.
Can you hold the camera, Mama?
No.
Your face is nonsense.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna finish my movie. Remember, y'all still need to pick up outside.
Alright.
We know.
I don't want any of that trash or anything in Craig's yard. None of it.
There's nothing right
Don't
there.
go.
There's a basketball across the street. There's stuff.
We got that.
There's nothing or...
No pump fake. Rejected by Anthony Davis. The crowd's going wild.
Give me another
This
chop.
is the best it'll ever get, folks. The crowd's going wild. The crowd's chanting. MVP. 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 MVP.